Hey, this is Owen XD, and today I will be talking about Turbospoke. So it's really simple. All you have to do is clip it on with some zip ties, put this together, and basically you're done. And I have this motor card, so if I move that, put this in, then put that through that little notch. Wait, sorry. Lift it up right there. And then put that right there. Makes a noise. So if you want to hear that noise, I'll just go to the next driveway over there. So, let's go. And, well, there are different motor cards for this, so it makes different noises. And I think that'll do it for this video. So, until next time, this has been Owen XD, and I'll see you.